Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's update our view on the gold market. So in the weekend we have discussed support levels that market should hold to keep current short-term upside tendency valid. So since we're talking about mostly about this CD upside leg, where market shows quite clear the tendency with the minor pullbacks, so keep it valid and keep going right to the target, market should stay above some predefined levels. So that's what we said in the weekend. Currently, by taking a look at results of this recent retracement, we could say that market actually has achieved this. Retracement was even slightly smaller than we suggested. But at the same time, recent day is a very representable. It's because yesterday the whole world have seen what the tariffs strategy is from the Donald Trump. Now it is becoming obvious, if previously it was some questions about the durability, the term of this possible tariffs war, what the purpose it has, and markets mostly have prepared for long-term trading war with the major parts of the global financial system, global trading members that could last for the years and so on. Recent performance and recent tariffs negotiations with Mexico around the tariffs shows that the tariffs are not about the economy. They're purely about politics. So this is not the tool of the getting advantages for the economy mostly, but this is a kind of the tool of the fear when the Donald Trump trying to use the tariffs treat to get fast deal in favor of the United States. So it doesn't intend to keep these tariffs for long term. It's just use it as a momentum tool. It's using in a particular moment to get fast result and actually forget about this. The example of the Mexico, we clearly see what has happened. But at this point, Donald Trump has got big problems with fulfilling the things that he would like to. Once the tariffs have been imposed on Mexico, immediately in California start preparing the massive unrest. Immediately cryptocurrency has collapsed. And the Donald Trump, the counterparty in Mexico, clearly has shown to the Donald Trump the limits and the lines that he should not cross. The cryptocurrency actively are using by the shadow business, especially in Mexico. So, as a result, they have taken the fast negotiations. Tariffs have been postponed for the months. I suspect that they will be, even they will be applied, they will be strongly contracted, not the 25%, significantly lower, and I wouldn't be surprised if they will be cancelled at all. So, once this agreement has been achieved, once again, immediately unrest disappeared somehow in California. Bitcoin has returned back to the levels when he was before this moment. So obviously Donald Trump has given some positions and get really big lesson and actually some borders that he should not cross. That will be very important for the whole market because currently the tariffs have been priced in the current dollar value. And now the feature of the tariffs start changing, making markets to discount this value of the tariffs inside of the dollar. This potentially supportive for the all dollar rivals, including the gold. So, as we said in the weekend, that from the technical point of view, market trying to complete these important targets and should keep going to it. Now we have some fundamental issues, moments that support this idea that maybe not really fast, but market will try to complete this target, which actually stands not too far, just $30 above the current market. That being said, on the lower time frames, take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. What we have first is you could see that the retracement that we discussed has happened. Market has reached mostly first level and stands on the halfway to the confluence. If you remember, we said that these two levels should stay to keep this tendency valid. So market, as a conclusion that we could make, that market is still going with this major tendency. Reaction on the butterfly target has been made right here. It means that here, when the market is moving above the top of the butterfly, that reaction has to be very small. We should not get any deep retracement back to the same lows. This will be not correct for tendency. So it means that here we should get very small pullback. It's already mostly stands in place. In a way, we have kind of the guard is triple to buy right to the 30% support, forming some kind of the flag consolidation, and as you can see, retesting of the top. What is even more important is that take a look at all this performance that we have stand comfortably above the broken historical top. So market doesn't show any return back down, wash and rinse, and so on. So market stably, stubbornly stands above this area, which is potentially bullish. So that being said, is the bottom line, to not speak too much about current situation. I suspect that mostly this one, but for some case I would also will be watching for a 28, but I suspect that this level should be vital for the current situation. Deep retracement already has happened with this fast tendency. Market shows here very tight, small retracement, and this already has been done. It means that here we stand already in extension mode to the major target, and we should not get any deeper retracement. So I suspect that this level will be vital. So if you consider taking a long position, you probably could try to do this inside of the flag. The destination points will be major target on the daily chart, because actually we do not have any other targets between current market and this area. That's in two words what we have. It's lots of tokens words, but I have to actually explain you why the recent negotiations with Mexico was so important for understanding the tariffs nature, how Donald Trump could use it and what he can't do. So, and you can see this brings some fruits to the markets.